You see what you black women did? Now Nick Cannon is wearing a damn hair hat. Come on now. Anyways, here's what he had to say about it on Instagram. He said, and I quote, "Me and Miss Monroe wigging out. Hashtag silly time." You think? Now this is downright ridiculous. Now Nick Cannon has a lot of jobs and whatnot, but it looks like he may have lost his mind from working so much with his robotic self and just went and just flipped out and just got himself a damn hair hat because he pulled out his hair from all of that stress from just having too many damn jobs. Come on, Nick, give me a job. Damn, you don't need that many damn checks. But anyways, what do you think about Nick Cannon's new hairdo? You think it's fly? You think it's going to catch on? You think more brothers are going to go out there and get the Caucasian wig? Let me know what you think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine.